Hi, do you want to learn spoken English, but you do not have right program? So then this video for you. Join our 5 days spoken English programs. Join our WhatsApp groups where you will get a clear idea, a clear platform, a clear structure how to learn spoken English. And this 5 days program, you will get a perfect clarity, a clear fluency blueprint. This will help you to speak fluent and fantastic English. So learn spoken English in 5 days only. Join groups in the link. In the comment box, you will also get. In the description box, this link is also available. Join in the links and join WhatsApp group. And take a 5 days spoken English class. And this will help you to speak clear and fantastic English. So let's see. This program is going to start from 20 April and 25th April is last day. So let's see. We will meet on the class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share this video, share the WhatsApp links so your friends or your family members or anybody who is interested in spoken English, he can join, he can get an opportunity. Thank you so much for watching this video.